Hey, everyone, let's continue with the grind, okay? The problem on hand is this one here, number 7. You've got to write a program to use a program that uses exactly four loops. It'll print the sequence of letters below, okay? So we're printing this number of A's, okay? How many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 4 C and D's. So it's CD1, CD2, CD3, CD4. 1 E and how many F's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the G. Okay. Let's jump on to it, you guys. Firstly, let's take care of A's. And I in range. So 110 A's. The first loop should take care of that. So when I go SEP, we don't want any spaces between our letters, so we gotta set our SEP optional arguments with that, or rather parameter. And then secondly, I want to make sure that we stay on the same line, so that should take care of that. Okay, once we're done displaying A's, it is time we take care of B's. How many B's we want to display? We want to display 10 of them, so it's gonna be another for loop. In range, it's gonna be 7. Okay, then I'll simply go print. I'm printing B. Again, I've gotta make sure that my separator is dead and I'm staying on the same line. Another for loop for CD. Now how many CDs are there? We said there are 4 of them. So we're displaying CD. Okay. Okay, once I'm done displaying CDs, I'll simply display E only once. Oops. I'm displaying E only once. And what else do I want to display? Oh, let me start by saving. We're working on the 7th exercise, so that should take care of that. So now I've got to take care of F's. It's not like we are restricted to only use I as our variable on our loop. Okay, I can choose any variable name. Okay, so how many times do I wanna display F? I wanna display F 6 times. I could of course copy and paste to simplify things here, but then somehow copying and pasting results in a bunch of logical errors. Okay. Oh, let me see. So what is it? Am I printing? I'm printing F. Okay. Last but not least, I'm printing what? G. Okay, now let's see what we get. Oops. Really. Oh, I forgot putting this right there on CD. Let's start over. Again, you guys, I dare you to make sure. You see, now we're getting the right answer, the exact thing that we expected. I dare you guys to please make sure that in case you've pointed out some errors which I happen not to notice, please make sure you let me know, you guys. I don't want you to think that I'll be offended or anything like that. Just let me know. That way next time I will make sure that I don't do such errors. See you next time, you guys. I'm